click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
रुकना यहाँ पे रुका था नहीं चलो चलो ये पीछे चलो पीछे जाना पीछे चलो 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 चलते चलो भाई बाबा चलेगा पीछे तब मारेगा बाबा बाबा जरा यहाँ पे बाबा एक इधर दो ना आए आप एक बार बाबा यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट ये पीछे दे पीछे 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 बाबा बाबा थोड़ा ही सर प्लीज बस बाबा आपके लेफ्ट में बाबा लेफ्ट में आपके बाबा इधर सामने बाबा राइट में वन मोर आपके लाइफ बाबा इधर सर सामने थैंक यू
actually traveling for an event to Hyderabad in the Facebook office, and I met this very, very passionate makeup artist. And he couldn't stop talking about Sanju Baba. And he said he wouldn't eat till we hadn't eaten. You know, the anger you see on screen is not an actor. वो actually उनका जज्बा होता था अगर उन्होंने खाना नहीं खाया हो या उनको वो चीज़ नहीं मिली हो जो शायद वो stars को पहले पूछते हैं. But he doesn't consider himself that. Here's a man who belongs to a family who gave their heart and their art to Janta, and that's exactly where he thinks he belongs. While he is this most stylish, probably the muscle man that everybody has got inspired by in the industry, but the strongest, and I'm getting emotional by saying this, the strongest muscle that he holds is his heart. Let's hear it for Sanju Baba. I want to first, विदु जी मैं आपसे पहले विनती करूंगी कि आप कुछ कहें. चोपड़ा साहब आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहूंगी मैं.
यार ये तो किसी ने बताया नहीं कि मैंने शुरू करना. मैंने तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं. All I have to say कि ये जो यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है ना संजय दत्त, मुझे काफ़ी साल हो गए हैं. मेरे ख्याल में कहना तो नहीं चाहिए पर ऑलमोस्ट कितने साल हो गए राजू? 30-40 तो हो गए होंगे. ऐसा मेरे को ना कोई मिला है ना कोई मिलेगा और पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ऐसा कोई आदमी होना. तो बता रहा हूँ कि ये एक्सेप्शनल ह्यूमन बीइंग है और मैं एक्चुअली इसको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ, लेकिन मैं इसको अब जानने लगा जब राजू ने कहानी इसकी सुनानी शुरू की. तो ये क्या है ये आदमी, इसको आप समझ ही नहीं सकते. मैं समझता हूँ कि वी हैव नॉट हैड, आई हैवंट मेट अ मैन लाइक हिम, एंड यू नो आई हैव टू से दैट. और मैं गाली वाली दे देता हूँ स्टेज पे, वो तो आपको पता ही है, तो मैं सच ही बोल रहा हूँ. झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं. एक्सेप्शनल, एंड आई रियली फ्रॉम डीप डाउन माई हार्ट आई विश, and Nanu of course has been with us for a long time. I think this team, and I had liked Mary Com, I had called him when I saw the film. So I hope and pray to God that this film is what Sanjay Dutt deserves as a film for a comeback. Thank you.
Raju sir, we thank you for not just taking him up in one of your films. Your films inspire us, and if Vidu ji jo keh rahe hain ki inke jaisa na koi tha na koi hoga, so we're really looking forward to what you have to offer. But you've already given us so much with him in your films. Aapko kya kehna hai?
मैं क्या कहूँ? मैं संजू के बारे में क्या कहूँ? संजू मेरे फिल्म करियर का एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है. मैंने अब तक 4 ही फिल्में बनाई हैं, उसमें से 3 में संजू है. 5वीं बना रहा हूँ जो संजू के ऊपर है. अब इससे ज़्यादा संजू मेरे जीवन का कोई हिस्सा हो नहीं सकता. He has inspired me. He did Munna Bhai, and the way he did it made that film great. And I wouldn't have been what I am without Sanju. And I totally believe in that. So Sanju to हमारे साथ, Sanju came back 1.5 years back, and we were all missing him. So Sanju is back, but Sanju the actor is now back. So we've been waiting. वो एक visual thirst होता है ना, संजू को देखा ही नहीं स्क्रीन पे 3 साल से नहीं देखा. So I was really waiting to see this trailer, and it's so magical to see Sanju back on screen with that red gulal on his face. Sanju, you're looking magical, and यार पूरी फिल्म ही दिखा दो ना आज. So Sanju के बारे में अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगा. Let the film come, and then you'll see Sanju the actor here, and you'll see Sanju the man 6 months down the line. And Sanju, all the best. We love you.
This man can play any character, but I remember in his interview saying that I don't know how has Sanjay Dutt lived such a lion-hearted life. Thank you so much for bringing him alive. You're somebody who doesn't even like to work out, and it's unbelievable. You're playing a man who has got all the muscles that the industry's ever wanted. So, your sentiments?
Well, I think, yeah, I was never a fan of workouts and gym. And I remember I've been working out in Sanju sir's gym since the last 10 years. And after 3 years, he came down and said, मैं तेरे 3 साल से gym में देख रहा हूँ. कोई difference तो आया नहीं तो करता क्या है यहाँ? But good evening everyone. Firstly, congratulations to Bhushan sir, Umang sir, Sandeep. I think the trailer was wonderful, as you all have seen today. It's amazing to see Sanju sir back on screen. I think this is his first release after his release. And like Raju sir said, we all have missed you so much. And when we see you on screen, it is magical. You know, something happens deep within. I think like all of us out here, I'm such a huge admirer and fan of yours, Sanju sir. Because I have had the good fortune of knowing you as a person. I've interacted with you since I was a child. So I know your heart. And I'm really happy and welcome back to the movies. I think we all missed you a lot, sir.
And now to the man who actually brought him back on screen, Umang Kumar, thank you so much. You always do some poetic justice when it comes to that emotion that's missing on screen. How was it? What was it? And my God, congratulations on that fantastic trailer.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for coming here. Thank you, media, for being so kind to us every single time. To Bhumi, to Sanju Baba, and to us. And it means a lot. And this film, obviously, is very, very special for the man that is there, which is Sanju Baba. And we still know, Sandeep and me, when we went to his house, and in 1 minute he said, "This is it." We said, "This is it?" He said, "Yeah, this is it. This is my comeback film." And suddenly we also didn't realize, Baba, ये तो बोझ आ गया हमारे सर पर. I mean, unka comeback, he was doing other films, but he said, "This is the film." And he trusted the film more than us. And we said, "Thank you, sir." And he trusted me. Thank you for just being part of this film. And it just like, you know, I still remember the first day when the camera rolled and his face was on the monitor. I said, my God. Oh, wait, breathe. He was nervous that day with the first day of the comeback. But we just rolled. And the way he rolled, my God, it's overwhelming when you see him on the big screen. Really, his eyes talk. And that's why the poster is the fantastic eyes that speak the whole film. The whole film is this poster. And thank you for being part of this. Thank you, Aditi, for being my Bhumi and Baba's Bhumi. It means a lot. You gave your heart and soul for this whole film. Thank you for being part of this film. Thank you, all my cast and crew. Everyone who's standing over here, fantastic. I loved it. To see all of you all, you know, all your hard work really paid. Thank you, Bhushanji, for trusting in this film. You are like our brother, and you know you believe in us. And thank you for giving Sandeep and me a chance to be part of your family. This movie means a lot. It's a big landmark for us, and third in a row. But I thank you all, and once again, a big thank you, sir. Big thank you. I just want to hug you because your hugs are the biggest hug. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being part of this. That's Sanju Baba. One big, huge round of claps, please.
भूषण कुमार जी, आप भी कुछ बोल ही दीजिए. अब इतने सारे थैंक यूज आपकी तरफ आ ही गए हैं तो.
I just want to thank means everybody, of course, but especially Sanju sir, because I was not expecting I will be producing his comeback film, and it is my as T Series we are so happy we have got this chance to produce Sanju Baba's first comeback film after his release. So thank you very much, Sanju Baba, for allowing us to produce this film, and we are very excited. It's a special film to us, and we will take this film to the end and we'll make it very big. Thank you very much.
I just wanted to
Aditi bole pehle. Aditi.
Good afternoon. I want to say this one thing, that Bhumi feels very lucky and very blessed to have her Baba. It's really been an amazing journey for me, and I feel so lucky to have been a part of Sanju sir's comeback film. Also that I got to spend so much time with him. You know, we've all heard about how much Sanju sir is loved, but I saw it for myself with my own eyes, and I felt it with my own heart. The way that he takes you into his family, the way he protects you, actually like that. The way he's always there for you, the way that he listens to what you have to say. And as a co-actor, he's just incredible. You don't feel nervous. He looks very intimidating, but I always say he's the big friendly giant. He is just so so kind and so giving and he gives very nice hugs. It was really, really, really incredible to have been a part of this journey. It was intense, lot of tears, lot of blood, lot of sweat, and a lot of laughing. He has made me laugh just before a scene where I'm weeping buckets and Umang sir has looked at me like, what is she doing? But it's all his fault. But it's really been incredible. And thank you, Umang sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Sandeep, for thinking of me for this. Thank you, Vinod Chopra sir. Vidu sir, I'm always happy to see you. And you have been a big part of my journey. And Raju sir, inspiring as always. And Ranbir, you know you're my favorite. And Bhushan Kumar sir, thank you so much. Thank you, and Priya, big hug. And thank you to every single co-star and everybody from the Bhumi team. Thank you so much. I really needed you. It was very emotional and quite traumatic, just the whole story. And I really needed you all. And thank you for being there for me. Thank you so much. And sir, I could not have done this without you. Thank you. Thank you for being my Baba.
Bless you, Bhumi. Oops, sorry, Aditi. We're going back to Sandeep. What would you like to say today? Are you happy? Are you ecstatic? Are you nervous? What is it?
I'm not nervous. I'm happy. छोटी सी चीज़ शेयर करना चाहूँगा. हर इंसान का कॉन्फिडेंस तोड़ दिया जाता है. हर चीज़ को हम मेहनत करते हैं तोड़ने में, जोड़ने में कम. जब भूमि की शुरुआत उमंग और मैंने की तो सबने कहा मत बनाओ. तो हमने शुरू की बनाना. फिर हम बाबा के पास पहुँचे. बाबा ने बोला बनाओ. उसके बाद जब हम कास्टिंग पे आए, अदिति को ले, कन्फ्यूजन्स बहुत क्रिएट होता है. मत लो, भूमि यहाँ खड़ी है, अदिति. मतलब जो कन्फ्यूजन्स क्रिएट होता है हमारे अंदर, सबने हमको कहा, क्योंकि हमारा उमंग में पहली बार ये फिल्म बना रहे थे बाबा के साथ. बाप रे, ये होगा, वो होगा, ट्रबल होगा, ये होगा, बाबा टाइम पर नहीं आते, बाबा ये है, बाबा वो है. तो मैं बाबा से पूछा, बाबा बोले देखो मैं तुम्हारे शूटिंग पे आऊँगा ना, तब हम बात करेंगे. फिर जब बाबा शूटिंग पे आए तो बाबा ने कंप्लेंट, देखो तुम्हारा एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर मुझे शेड्यूल नहीं दे रहा, और बाबा हमसे पहले शूट पे पहुंच जाते थे. ये है बाबा. और द पीपल हु स्टूड हियर, द पीपल लाइक भूषण जी, एवरीबडी, वी all struggle to make one film. I'm sure Munna Bhai has been rejected so many times by so many people. Khamosh must have been rejected so many times by so many people. Ranbir must be thinking, सावरिया से आऊँ या किसी और चीज़ से आऊँ, क्या, सब हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. पर जब एक इंसान एक चीज़ पर बिलीव करता है तो वो चीज़ ऐसी निखर के आती है. और वो हम सबसे ज़्यादा संजय दत्त ने बिलीव किया, क्योंकि हम ये फिल्म हम कंफ्यूज हो गए थे, बनाए नहीं बनाए, और संजय दत्त ने कहा बनेगा तो यही फिल्म बनेगा. एंड देन ही टुक मी टू विधु सर हाउस. एंड विधु सर, देख तेरी कहानी बहुत अच्छी है और ये मेरा बेटा है, मेरे बेटे का तू ध्यान देना. और कहते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में
भाई बोला था यार. क्यों मरवा रहा है
भाई?
तो यार मैं तो बड़ा टी शर्ट पहन गया हूँ, तू तो यार
भाई भाई कहा था भाई,
एकदम बता रहा है.
उसके बाद
में कर रहा है
यार, प्यार से बेटा
नहीं यार, भाई बोलने का
भाई भाई भाई. उसके बाद मुझे याद है कि जब हमने डिसाइड किया, कहते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री में कोई किसी का दोस्त नहीं होता, लेकिन एक बार हमने डिसाइड किया कि इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर विधु सर, राजू सर और रणबीर आ जाए. और आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, हमने सिर्फ एक मैसेज और फ़ोन किया और इन तीनों ने हाँ तुरंत कह दिया. ये कहते हैं दोस्ती और साथ. डेडिकेट टू माय सन ईमान एंड वनीता's mother who passed away during the making of the film, and we all dedicate this film to your mother, Vanu, and you stood by us like a rock star. And thank you very much everyone. I especially want to thank Anand Pandit ji, who's always been a great support of my life. Thank you, sir.
May I please request all of you to please take a seat as we're about to begin Q&A. तो आपके सवाल और इन सब के जवाब.
Baba,
I think let him sit and talk. What say?
I just want to thank everybody. सबसे पहले my wife, my sister, my brother-in-law, Paresh, my brother, Raj Bansal, Bittu, who have always been very, very special to me in the worst situations of my life. I want to thank Vinod sir. I want to thank Raju. And there's another very important part of my life. His name is Abhijat Joshi. Where's he gone?
टेलीफोन पर है किधर?
I love you too. And, you know, they have always been with me, ups and downs. And Vinod sir and Raju and Abhijat have given me the best film of my life, and that's Munna Bhai. And I think ये भूमि के बाद में मैं कोई पिक्चर नहीं करूँगा, मुन्ना भाई ही करने वाला हूँ.
सुन रहा है अभिजात? उसको बोल, जल्दी कर.
You listening? I want to thank Umang. I want to thank Sandeep for giving me this wonderful film. Shekhar ji, Anand ji, the whole crew, Master ji, Ismail bhai, अपना boss, Sharad, Puru, Siddhant, everybody, our man out there. Thank you for getting the best out of me. Thank you. And Aditi, thank you. And Ranbir, I love you and thank you so much. Please pray for this film. Thank you.
So, बाबा आलोक यार आपके लेफ्ट में, आप बस सुन लें तो भी ठीक है. बाबा पहले तो बेहतरीन सा ट्रेलर है तो वेलकम बैक कहते हैं हम. दूसरा सवाल मेरा ये है कि भूमि ही क्यों, भूमि से ही क्यों हम कम बैक किए? कुछ खास वजह थी आपके जहन में?
Well, मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा कि आपको ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा है और पिक्चर भी वैसे ही है, बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है. इसकी स्टोरी, इसकी कहानी एक बहुत ही इमोशनल कहानी है. तो मैंने यही सोचा कि मैंने बोला कि यही पिक्चर 3 साल के बाद अगर आए तो एक ऐसी पिक्चर आए जहाँ इमोशन हो, बाप बेटी का रिश्ता हो, एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली की बात हो. तो मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसीलिए मैंने भूमि की.
एंड बाबा पहले दिन का थोड़ा वाकया बताएं जब आपने 3 साल के बाद कैमरा फेस किया और क्या माहौल था, क्योंकि उमंग ने तो शेयर कर दिया है, हम आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे.
माहौल बहुत अच्छा था. ऐसा लगा कि मैं फिर वापस घर आ गया हूँ. लाइट्स और कैमरा और एक चहल पहल सेट की, तो बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया. थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस था लेकिन पहला डायलॉग ओके हो गया तो ठीक हो गया उसके बाद.
भूषण जी, आपने तरह तरह के गीत दिए हैं संजू बाबा के लिए भी. इस फिल्म में किस तरीके का संगीत आने वाला है टी सीरीज़ की तरफ से?
इसमें फिल्म के हिसाब का म्यूज़िक है जो फिल्म की स्टोरी को आगे लेके जाता है, और हमने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से इसमें म्यूज़िक बनाया है. तो म्यूज़िक रोमांटिक गाना भी है और इमोशनल गाना भी है, डांस ट्रैक भी है, सब कुछ है जो लेकिन फिल्म की हिसाब से है.
संजू सर, आपके स्ट्रेट लेफ्ट में आपसे सर मेरा सवाल है कि एक जगह कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था कि जो आपका नाम रखा गया था वो सुनील दत्त साहब ने किसी आगरा की कोई महिला थी उनके फैन के थ्रू रखा था.
ये तो मुझे भी न्यूज़ है यार, आपको कहाँ से न्यूज़ है?
ये तो बायोपिक में भी नहीं है. यहाँ तक तो हम भी नहीं पहुँचे.
नहीं, इसलिए मैं आपसे जानना चाहती थी क्योंकि ये मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था सर. आगरा में आपकी शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा था ये बता दें. आगरा में शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा था?
बहुत अच्छा रहा. आगरा में लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत प्यारे हैं और बहुत कोऑपरेटिव हैं. और जहाँ पे भी हम लोगों ने शूटिंग की, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट एरियाज़ थे आगरा के, लेकिन फिर भी उन लोगों ने बहुत कोऑपरेट किया और बहुत अच्छी शूटिंग हुई.
Hi sir, Nikita here from Free Press Journal. Yeah, on your left. Sanju sir, hi, welcome back. Really good trailer, but recently a lot of actresses as well, if you count Sri Devi ji, Raveena ji, and you all have chosen a kind of a similar storyline where a protector, you know, so what is it about this storyline that is making everyone come back with this storyline itself?
Well, I know that they're similar and they're protectors, but a father protecting a daughter is something else. I mean, you have a father. He loves you the most, right? So you get the answer.
Sanjay sir, here on your left. Simran Singh here from Book My Show. Sir, यहाँ पे on your left. So, First of all, many congratulations to you and the team. The trailer is fantastic. It's good to have you back. We missed you. So, पहला सवाल आपसे है कि you are a great human being and a loving father as well. So, how much that real father has helped you in the real? I'm talking about the bond that you share with Trishala. ये कितना help किया आपको इस movie में? For this movie.
But यार हर चीज़ help ही करती है. मतलब पूरी जिंदगी जीना ही एक help हो जाता है. And I've gone through a lot of ups and downs in my life, and I think everything put together really comes out in some way or the other. And definitely Trishala and definitely Ikra, I used to think about them while shooting, and I used to also think about Priya's relation with my father, because Priya was his favorite, and Priya could get away with anything. So thanks Priya, you helped me.
Okay, आपसे एक और सवाल है बाबा. While in your absence, many films was released. So once you're back, कोई particularly एक दो कोई ऐसी फिल्म है जिसको देख के आपने बोला काश ये इस फिल्म में मैं होता?
मैं समझा नहीं यार, की कह रहे हैं?
मैं पूछे है कि ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਜੂ ਕੋਈ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਪਿਕਚਰ 'ਚ ਕਾਸ਼ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਵਾਂ, ਇੰਨੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਪਿਕਚਰਾਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਵਾਂ ਪਿਕਚਰ 'ਚ?
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਯਾਰ, ਬੈਟਮੈਨ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ.
Sanju sir here. Towards your left. Sir, आपकी लाइफ जो है काफ़ी अप्स एंड डाउन्स वाली रही है. पिछले
और रंगीन भी रही है यार.
हाँ, होपफुली वो दत्त में देखने को मिलेगी. सर, मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि जब आप जेल से बाहर आए तो कितने बेताब थे कि आप स्क्रीन पर लौटें और सेट के शूटिंग पर लौटें, क्योंकि आपकी लाइफ हमेशा से आपने इतने सालों तक 35 साल तक फिल्मों में काम किया है, तो कितना वेट कर रहे थे कि मैं पहली फिल्म में और पहले सेट पे पहुंचूं, और पहले दिन जब आप सेट पे पहुंचे तो क्या फीलिंग्स थी उस दौरान?
मैं बेताब तो नहीं था वापस सेट पे पहुंचने के लिए, क्योंकि दाल चावल मेरी बीवी ही दे देती थी खाने के लिए यार. और लेकिन मैंने ये ज़रूर सोचा था कि जो पिक्चर जो पहली आएगी एक मैसेज हो, एक ढंग की पिक्चर हो, एक परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड पिक्चर हो, एक पिक्चर जो मेरे बड़े भाई विनोद जी देखकर प्राउड हों, गाली नहीं दें, जो मेरी वाइफ देख के बोले कि बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है, नहीं तो वो भी गाली दे देती है. और बाकी के जितने, प्रिया भी गाली देती है, ये ओवन तो नहीं दे सकता बेचारा, लेकिन एक दो ड्रिंक के बाद में बोल सकता है. लेकिन ये सब डेंजरस लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे भी ये लोग भी, वो परेश जी भी हैं, बंटी वालिया, अपना बंसल साहब और बिट्टू. तो आई थिंक इसी वजह से मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के ये पिक्चर की.
रणवीर, एक सवाल आपसे है कि जैसे कि विधु विनोद चोपड़ा सर ने बताया, राजू हिरानी ने, और सब इंडस्ट्री के लोग काफ़ी अरसे से सर को जानते हैं, संजय सर को जानते हैं, लेकिन कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था कि आपने एक बयान दिया है कि ये फिल्म करते वक्त मुझे जो कुछ संजय दत्त के बारे में पता चला वो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. तो कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे इस फिल्म में आप संजय दत्त बने हैं जो आने वाली बायोपिक है?
वेल, शेयर तो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि विधु सर मुझे मार देंगे. बट जी, मैं संजू सर को बचपन से जानता हूँ, लेकिन जब हमने बायोपिक पर काम करना शुरू किया तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये एक्चुअली बायोपिक नहीं हो सकती, ये एक्चुअली एक साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, क्योंकि ऐसी लाइफ एक इंसान को जीना, मतलब मेरे समझ में ही नहीं आया कि ऐसी लाइफ कौन जी सकता है. मुझे एक्चुअली अभी कल की बात है, जब संजू सर ने मैसेज किया कि ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे आ जाओ, तो सडनली मुझे एहसास हुआ, अरे यार ये तो मेरा ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है. फिर पीछे से एक दूसरे रणबीर ने मुझे टपली दिया और कहा कि तुम कभी संजय दत्त बन नहीं सकते, ज़रा इतना फुदको मत, संजू सर का ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, दैट यू हैव टू गो एंड अटेंड. तो मैंने एक साल इनको एमुलेट करने की कोशिश की. प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ठीक ठाक किया, क्योंकि इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, नॉट जस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री बट इन द कंट्री. समथिंग दैट वी ऑल कैन लर्न फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ, वी कैन टेक सो मच फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ. बट हाँ, जब मैं कभी सोचता हूँ बायोपिक के बारे में, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में, यही मेरे सोच में आता है कि ये साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, ये एक ड्रामेटिक या रोमांटिक फिल्म नहीं है.
हेलो संजय सर, भावना here from Pink Villa. Sir, आज first of all the trailer is really good and we are really looking forward to seeing it. But it is also Trishala's birthday today, and since the film is about father and daughter's relationship. Was this an intentional decision to launch the trailer today?
Yeah, I think it was. I mean, it was an important day for her, and we all miss her, and we all wish she was here. But it is a birthday, and I think this was the best day for this trailer to be launched.
So.
सी विदु जी मुझे मार डालेंगे। वो फिल्म तो आने दीजिए ना, आज तो भूमि की बात करते हैं, बिकॉज वो उसका वक्त आएगा जब हम बहुत बातें करेंगे उसकी। All I can say, it's an amazing life, and what is most amazing is that Sanju's been brave enough to spell it out honestly to us, and he's not scared to portray a life, a very positive life. Or he's opened up the cards and he said, "Aapko jo bolna hai bolo, meri zindagi aisi thi." So I would say he's a very brave man. Biopics can be very one-sided, but this is a biopic which is from all perspectives, and it's a very open biopic.
Sanju sir?
Sanju, don't you think you are too young to be Aditi's father?
Wow. Of course I'm young to be a father, but I'm just playing a character. You forget that?
संजू सर, सर सेंटर में सर आपसे एक सवाल जानना चाहूँगा। जैसे सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि हर एक सक्सेसफुल मर्द के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है, और जो भी आपके लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं, मान्यता जी ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उन चीज़ों को फेस किया, और ये जो पूरी जर्नी रही आपके लाइफ की, या फिर ये जो आपके कमबैक आप बोल सकते हो, तो इस बीच में उनका क्या रोल रहा या उनका क्या किरदार रहा, और इस फिल्म में जब आप कर रहे थे तो क्या उनसे कुछ एडवाइस लिया था या समथिंग कुछ इस तरह से?
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि मान्यता जी ने हर पल हर लम्हा मेरा साथ दिया है, और हमेशा देंगी। और एक दो ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे दी हैं जहाँ जो कोई दे नहीं सकता, इकरा और शाहरान। और इनसे बिल्कुल एक चीज़ सीखने में मिली है, वो गुस्सा। तो वो मैंने पोर्ट्रे किया है भूमि में, शरद के ऊपर वो भी।
Sanju sir, this is your first film after your release. Has your time, away changed your working style in any manner?
I didn't get that. What was that?
So this is your first film after your release. So has your time away from the screen, the time you spent in jail, has it changed your working style in any manner?
I think my working style is the same. I mean, I don't hear a script. I don't watch the monitor. I don't look at the lighting. I don't look at the other artist, what he does. So, I mean, there's nothing changes. It's the same.
Sanju sir, also in this film, there's this theme of Save the Daughter, which has echoes of perhaps Beti Bachao. Do you think so? The government slogan, Beti Bachao.
Yeah, what about that?
So the film's theme is also Save the Daughter. And, this is a topic that everybody is talking about today.
I mean, you can say it says Save the Daughter, but it's more a film about a relationship between a father and a daughter. And definitely I believe in Save the Daughter also.
Sanjay, when you heard the first time that the biopic will be made, were you a bit skeptical? Were you a bit worried or nervous? And also there were some reports that Ranbir was trying to meet him and meet you to do his research, but it was difficult to get in touch. Ranbir,
It'll take Ranbir 50 years to do research on me first. So, I mean, he's been a very, very special part of my life. Not because of the biopic, but just because of him growing up, and it's his family's relation with my family and stuff like that. And if I was, scared?
Were you a bit skeptical at what will be shown in the biopic?
I was not skeptical at all, because Raju, me and Abhijat sat for many, many hours, and I laid the cards right out in front of them. I've got nothing to hide, and I have never had nothing to hide. So,
Okay, संजू सर, एक फिल्म की पूरी जबान होती है डायलॉग राइटिंग। तो राज शांडिल जी के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, जिन्होंने इस फिल्म का स्क्रीन प्ले और डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं? किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या बॉन्डिंग शेयर करते हैं आप?
Actually, Raj कॉमेडी सीरियल्स लिखता था, और you know जब उसने ये पिक्चर लिखी I was amazed and I was shocked कि इतना टैलेंट इस लड़के में है। लेकिन कभी कभी बहक जाता है, लेकिन अभी क्या करें यार, वो होता है।
Sanjay sir, just near towards your left, so here. Sanjay sir, there were reports that apparently Ranbir and Anurag Basu had approached you for Jagga Jasoos, and the role was eventually played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How true were these?
I think Ranbir should answer this.
I think every role that's written in the Hindi film industry first goes to him only. It passes through him, then it filters down. Of course, you know, it was my first production, and it was a special appearance, and we wanted to carry it in the second part. And Basu Dada and myself thought there was nobody better than Sanju sir, but Sanju sir very gladly, on the first time he heard it, he said, yeah, I'll do it. But there was some issue with, you know, the release of his first film and other stuff. But not this, maybe the next one.
Of course, anything for you.
Sanjay sir, have you seen the movie though? I mean, Jagga Jasoos?
I beg your pardon?
Have you seen the film?
I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen it. But I mean, I know it's a good. I saw the trailer. I loved it. But I'm going to see the film, and if I feel something is wrong, he knows what he's going to get.
Baba, here towards your left.
I hope nothing is shown, but that depends on Raju here.
Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer looks amazing. Towards your left here. Left. Here. Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer is good. But do you think if you had come back with the Munna Bhai series, the comeback would have been perhaps, you know, a bigger comeback for you? Like, everyone is waiting for that movie. And do you think that comeback would have been a bigger one?
I think instead of asking me, there's my brothers out here and my another brother out there and the third brother sitting behind you.
ऐसा करिए, मुड़ के वो पीछे वो जो बैठा है ना चुप से लड़का, उसको ये सवाल पूछिए। वो अभी भी लिख रहा है, 3 साल से अभी हम लिख रहे हैं, हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। तो ये बैठा बैठा बोर हो रहा था, अभी कितना उसको 1-1.5 साल और बिठाते हैं। हमने बोला भैया हम लिख रहे हैं। जब पूछता है हो रहा है सर, हाँ हो रहा है सर। डायलॉग लिख रहे हैं, हाँ लिख रहे हैं। वो खामोश मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी, उसमें डायलॉग राइटर को हमेशा पूछता था क्या हो रहा है जी, कहता लिख रहा हूँ सर, लिख रहा हूँ। वो है पीछे बैठा हो, उसको पूछो, जिस दिन लिखेगा उस दिन नेक्स्ट डे शुरू हो जाएगी।
ओके, मेरा सवाल अदिति से है। अदिति, ट्रेलर इज लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक, और अब अगर हम ट्रेलर को देखें तो बहुत इमोशन इंटेंस किरदार में नजर आ रही हैं आप। संजय जैसी शख्सियत के साथ इतने दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, उनके साथ काम करना कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए? पहला सवाल। दूसरा सवाल, कहीं इस बात का डर था, संजय सर की वापसी थी, उनकी कमबैक फिल्म थी, कहीं ओवरशैडो ना जाए, इस बात का भी डर था?
I think हम सब we all live for challenges. I think that makes us better, and that always makes us work harder. And I think everybody who is an artist and wants to perform and wants to is there for that reason and loves cinema, wants to be challenged and wants to be pushed. And I always feel a great actor in front of you makes you look better. And usually in a good film and with amazing actors, they tend to be very generous people as well. तो वो आपका काम और अच्छा, actually वो आपका काम आसान कर देते हैं। They make it more beautiful. वो निखारते हैं आपको. And I think Sanju sir was also the same. The first day I think I was a little nervous, and I'm usually not nervous, but I was a little nervous because I didn't know Sanju sir at all. But he gave me a big hug and he said, "You're scared of me? You're scared of me?" So that immediately sort of broke the ice, and it was, I think when the first shot was okay, like Sanju sir said, it was because it was our scene together. And the first shot was okay and we both breathed. Then I saw him doing the same and I was like, oh, okay, we're fine. So it was, I think that's what it is. It's an amazing actor makes you better. And a lot of the times I was bouncing off what he was doing. He was acting and I was reacting to him. So and every time he would do something different. So it's always fun. It keeps you on your toes and it makes it very natural. Sanju sir also doesn't like to rehearse, so that's great fun.
Hi, Ranbir, towards your left. Ranbir, hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. Ranbir, even though you're not answerable for what your father says about your films or about people involved in your films, but objectively speaking, do you think that blaming the producer or blaming the director or music composer is right, is fair after a film flops?
Well, you see, my father is a very emotional man. I think whatever he said was to protect me in some way in his, where he was coming from. I don't necessarily agree with, that he did that or what he said. Like I said, Jagga Jasoos is something that we worked for 3.5 years. We all were aware of what we were doing, how it was being made. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail. But I don't look at it as a failure, I look at it as a learning. I think it's given me a lot. The experience of working with Anurag Basu again and everybody involved in the project. So yeah, you know, I can't answer for somebody else, but I don't necessarily agree with everything that he said.
Right. Also, I wanted to know that after the failure of Jagga Jasoos we'll see you in that biopic. Is it a relief to work with a director like let me ask.
I think we
to
should
come
not.
with a director like Rajkumar Hirani, who's hit proof. Who's flop proof, sorry. Or is it a pressure to actually be in the biopic after after a flop?
Well, you know, it's a mix of both. Pressure, I hope that I don't break the cheeks. No, but to be honest, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, not because of his, the ratio of hits that he has. He's one of the finest filmmakers, the finest storytellers in the country. And because I've had that now opportunity to work with him, he works really hard on his scripts. He works really hard, very passionately. And there is no substitute to that. Having said that, there is no formula to success. Anurag Basu and me worked on a film called Barfi before Jagga Jasoos, which was quite successful. So ऐसा नहीं है कि if you work with this person, then you're guaranteed success. If you work with this person, पता नहीं क्या होगा. Films is something which nobody has cracked the formula to. But I'm just happy that I'm working with such amazing people. And I can do such amazing parts.
You know, just for record, I want to tell you that I came back from US and I went and I saw Jagga Jasoos on a big screen. I spent 3.5 hours watching that film. And I think there are some moments at that film that are absolutely excellent. I want to put it on record.
Completely agree.
And also I want to clarify to you, he's not flop-proof. Nobody's flop-proof. We are not flop-proof. It's an absurd thing to say everybody's striving. Sometimes when you strive, it kind of falls into place. Sometimes you strive and it doesn't fall into place. And it's okay. Both ways it's okay, as long as you strive. And I've seen the kind of striving in Jagga Jasoos, and I am here, I'll tell you why I'm here. Because I saw Mary Com. Sanjay Bhansali's worked with me for many years. I called and I said, damn good film. And he said, sir, aapne to meri kisi film ko nahi bola hai. This guy had directed that film. That's why I'm here. When Sanju came to me, I said, who's directing? You said, this guy. I said, you must do this. So we are all striving, sweetheart. We may fail, we may succeed. Please don't judge us by that. Judge us by what Jagga Jasoos is. Excellent. I want to say that here. Sorry, it's a Bhumi day, but I just have to tell you this. Like this trailer is excellent, Jagga Jasoos.
Last two questions. Please let's stick to questions regarding Bhumi. Please.
Please, yeah, I was going to say.
Sanju Dada Dipali here from TV9 Marathi.
इन लोगों ने इतनी बात की है बायोपिक की, इन दोनों को तो मैं बाद में देखूंगा.
Sanju Dada Dipali here from TV9 Marathi. Sanju Dada here. Sanju Dada towards your left. Hi, Dipali here from TV9 Marathi. जसं रणवीरचे ट्रेनिंग आणि त्याचे लुक्स पाहिले आपण तुमच्या बायोपिकसाठी, तर तुम्ही स्वतःला रणवीरच्या ह्याच्यात बघू शकताय का? तुम्ही स्वतः ॲज अ संजय दत्त म्हणून रणवीरने तेवढा न्याय दिलाय तुमच्या कॅरेक्टरला, असं वाटतंय का तुम्हाला?
I don't know how to say it in Marathi, but I don't think this is a question that deals with Bhumi. Is it I think it's dealing with Bhumi? So let's stick to Bhumi. Can you ask me ask him something about Bhumi, please?
We understood
I understand
that.
Marathi very well. उद्या सकाळला 9:15 वाजता shooting चालू आहे.
Okay. I have a question for Umang sir.
Last question.
Yeah.
Hi.
Umang sir.
Hey.
Umang sir?
Oh, really? Oh.
I have a question for Umang sir.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, how was your whole experience directing Sanjay sir and Bhumi, and what do you think of their performance in the movie?
See, generally, I like to play with an actor in such a way that I want to take out stuff from an actor which was never seen before in any other film. Be it Mary Com, be it Sarabjit, and Bhumi also is the same. But yes, I was nervous. I'm telling you, I was nervous to direct Sanjay Dutt. And because he has an aura, okay, I had to break that aura and look at him as an actor. But the moment he comes on screen, you forget everything. Yeah, that's what he used to do. He used to say, and he used to make Aditi laugh completely, and I could hear on the headphones, what is happening? It's a serious scene. And so she used to giggle.
that's the way Sanjay Dutt ji is. It's like he will break the ice and he'll make you most comfortable. And it was like, for me, a dream come true to direct. I didn't even think ever in my life I would be directing him. And thank you, sir. But really the emotions on the scene, while editing also, we went through everything again. We feel the emotions again. Like, my God, abhi wahan aansu tapkega. And it's so precise. He never rehearses. I don't want to rehearse, he's saying. I'll do it, chal, ready. You know, dialogues, ho jayenge. And he remembers every dialogue possible. 5 page ke dialogues, I don't know how you remember. It's fabulous. We were all nervous. 5 camera setup hai, like, you know, kare nahi karenge. He's flowing properly. That's what he is. And Aditi just matched completely. The emotional scenes are to die for. And hopefully this film will touch your souls the way it's touched ours.
So,
last
towards
question.
your left. Hi, Ankita from Republic. First of all, the trailer is really awesome and congratulations. We are very excited for the film. We are approaching towards our Independence Day. So if you could give some wishes, you, Aditi and Ranbir, for that. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to everybody.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Be truly independent, actually.
Thank you, everybody.
Archana, One second. Archana, you want to say something?
Yeah, actually, I have a little moment, but is this the last question?
No, that's all, I think. Thank you very much, everyone, for asking. Thank you.
Okay, there is a little surprise that I've been waiting for. We only thank Mamita to be the first in Sanjay's life, but there's a little message I'd like you to read out because it comes from a family member. आप बोल देंगी यहाँ पे. Okay, so.
She forwarded it to me and she wanted me to read. We can't read that letter. So why don't you read, Bhabhi, that? Please. Baba ने बोल दिया letter भी. So there is a letter which.
Okay, I have it right here with me. We got a little print out of it as well. My dearest Papa Dukes.
This is a. You just want to say what
you
this
want to
is?
explain? Yeah,
One
this
second.
is.
There is a voice note which is on her mobile.
Okay, so this has been sent from New York. Trishala is in New York.
1 second. There is a voice note which she has.
Oh.
Yeah. So there is a letter which Trishala wrote on her birthday to her father, Baba, and she sent a voice message on that. So we'll just play that for you all.
My dearest Papa Dukes, it feels so nice to know that you've chosen to launch the trailer of Bhumi on my birthday as a surprise. It gives me so much joy to know that you've chosen a film based on a father-daughter relationship as your comeback film as well. I'm really, really proud of you, Dad. You're stronger than you know, and I'm really blessed to be a part of you. I'll love you forever. Trishala.
So sweet. Thank you so much.
Why does she call you Dukes? I think it's the moment to call the Dutt Parivar. Thank you for taking care of humanity, of art, are important to this country.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please come up on stage. Please come up on stage, Ova and Priya. Please, and Mamita, please.
You don't have to speak. Come on stage. Priya Didi, please come on stage.